You see it everywhere. Pulsing, glowing, inviting. Neon signs are the modern-day equivalent of a siren song, luring us into bars, diners, and boutique shops. But have you ever stopped to wonder, is this electric allure actually free? It's a question that's probably never crossed your mind. I mean, you pay for your electricity bill, right? So, neon must cost something. But it's deeper than that. There's a fascinating world of physics, chemistry, and economics intertwined with those glowing tubes. Let's break it down. Neon, the element itself, is abundant in the Earth's atmosphere. You could argue that it's essentially free, floating around, waiting to be captured. But capturing it, purifying it, and turning it into that iconic glow, that's where the costs begin. First, there's the energy. Neon signs require a high voltage to ignite and sustain that bright light. So, while neon might be free in the air, the electricity to power it certainly isn't. And let's not forget the environmental impact. The more energy we consume, the larger our carbon footprint. Then there's the matter of the glass tubing. It's specially designed to withstand the high pressures and temperatures involved in creating a neon sign. It's not your average glass, and it comes with a price tag. And let's talk about the shaping. Bending that glass into intricate designs is an art form requiring skilled artisans. Their time and expertise aren't free. But wait, there's more. Neon isn't the only gas that can make those tubes glow. Argon, helium, krypton, and xenon can all be used to create different colors. Each gas has its own properties and costs. The choice of gas can significantly impact the final price of the sign. And let's not overlook the design and manufacturing process. Someone has to conceptualize the sign, create the artwork, and then physically construct it. These are skilled jobs that require time, talent, and, of course, money. So, to answer the question, is neon free? Well, not exactly. The raw material might be abundant, but the process of transforming it into something visually stunning and functional involves a significant investment of energy, materials, and human capital. But here's the thing, the value of a neon sign goes beyond its monetary cost. It's about nostalgia, it's about atmosphere, it's about capturing attention. In that sense, the intangible benefits might just outweigh the tangible expenses. Next time you see a neon sign, take a moment to appreciate the complex process behind its creation. And remember, while the neon itself might be free-floating in the air, the art and science of bringing it to life definitely isn't. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.